Creating the best builds for every brawler in Brawl Stars can help you maximize their potential. Here's a breakdown of effective builds for various brawler types. So number one, you got Shelly, Shooter. Now, Star Power, Shell, Gadgets, Band-Aid, Build Focus, maximize damage with her shotgun and sustain with healing. Number two, Colt. He's a sharpshooter. Now, Star Power, Magnum Special, Gadgets, Speedloader, Build Focus, High Demand Output with enhanced reload speed for continuous fire. Number three, Nita, Brawler, Star Power, Bear With Me, Gadgets, Furry Friends, Build Focus, use her bear to distract enemies while you deal damage. Number four, Leon, Stealth, Star Power, Smoke Trails, Gadgets, Clone Protector, Build Focus, use stealth to ambush and confuse enemies, enhancing survival. Number five, Spike, Area Control, Star Power, Fertilizer, Gadgets, Curveball, Build Focus, control zones with his area damage and slow effects. Number six, Sandy, Support, Star Power, Vision, Gadgets, Healing Winds, Build Focus, provide team support and control with his Sandstorm. Number seven, Gale, Control, Star Power, Cooldown, Gadgets, Supercharge, Build Focus, use knockback effects to control the battlefield. Number eight, Surge, Dynamite, Star Power, Supercharge, Gadgets, Teleport, Build Focus, upgrade strategically to adapt to different situations. Number nine, Jackie, Tank, Star Power, Counter Crush, Gadgets, Lollipop Drop, Build Focus, use her tankiness to outlast enemies while dealing consistent damage. Number 10, EMZ, Control, Star Power, Bad Karma, Gadgets, Friend Zone, Build Focus, Zone Control with her damage, overtime, and healing. So general tips now. Team composition. Consider the synergy of brawlers when building your team. Playstyle. Adjust builds based on your preferred playstyle, whether aggressive or supportive. These builds will help you optimize each brawler's strengths in various game modes.